I'm hooking this stereo up right here. I'm hooking the stereo up to my older car, and my wife ended up having to go get this right here from the store because this is the piece that hooks up to the car, okay? And this hooks up to the radio. This is the Panasonic one that hooks up to the radio. So I've already hooked one wire up. They're all color coordinated. These guys are speaker wires, so I'm just gonna hook them all up because it's easy. This is the black and white wire to this one, and the black and white wire to that one. I've already hooked up the white one, so I just went and found all the electrical connections I could find, hooking them up with that. That's the black and white one together. Just go till it gets tight. Okay, so that's two. Now I'm gonna hook the gray ones up. I know for a fact these are speaker wires. So hook the gray ones up next. Okay. And how do you know? Because one's a solid gray, one has a black lining in it, so you have to find the one with the black lining and hook them up together. So there's the one with the black lining. Hook those up first. Alrighty. Just go till they get tight. All the gray ones. Alrighty. Then I'll hook up the green ones next. Okay. Can you see as well? Solid to solid. It looks like I'm gonna have to use some different connectors. When I get done, I'm gonna tape this all together. You putting your shadow on there now. Alright, that's the green one. Now the green and black. Okay. Now we'll go with the let's go with the purple ones. Go with the purple ones next. Both are, no, they're not. Okay. Got the one with the black and white, and you got the solid one. Make sure you put the black and purple. I'm sorry. There's that. Two. They both have the black line in them. All right. Oh, that's tight. Okay, so that's all the speaker one. That's all the speaker wire. Now yeah, let's go with the in this case right here, this is a dimmer, the one that has the white, but you can still hook it up to the orange one. It just may not dim if you don't have that feature. But then it's pretty much now it's red to red, blue to blue, yellow to yellow, and solid yellow, red to red, blue to blue, and then black to black. Okay, so I'm gonna hook this up, guys. Not on camera, and then I'll come back and show you guys the finished product. But it's pretty much just color to color, guys. Okay.